Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and making sure your account is fully synced. This avoids missing messages. Once done, create the folders you need. Clear, specific names help search later. Make sure Focused Inbox is off if you plan to sort manually, otherwise rules can conflict. Next, show the folder pane and right-click to create each folder. This immediate setup speeds the rest of the process and prevents confusion as you build automated sorting. Now you create rules to automate segregation. In Desktop, choose Rules, Manage Rules and Alerts. On Web, go to Settings, Rules. Pick a clear condition, such as specific sender, domain, or subject keywords, because precise filters reduce false positives. Then choose the action, move to Folder, Categorize, or Mark as Read. Make sure to test each rule on a few recent messages. If rules overlap, order them thoughtfully. Finally, run your rules against existing messages using Run Rules Now to catch past mail. Once complete, refine by adding exceptions for VIPs and adjust rule order so specific rules precede general ones. Make sure server-side rules are used for all devices. Client-only rules run only when Outlook is open. If something goes wrong, disable suspect rules and test incrementally. And remember, tidy folder names and periodic rule reviews prevent buildup and keep segregation reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.